Hello everyone, in this section we will learn how to update the data in a table with SQL. You can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. First, let's see all the data of the customers table. I will run a simple select query. 91 records listed. Let's do an update on the customers table. First I write update and table name. I write the column I will update and its value. Finally, I need to write a where condition that specifies which data to update. One row has been updated. I am writing a select query to see the updated data. With the where condition, I can only see the updated column. Data has been updated. We have to be very careful in the update process, because we can unintentionally update more than one data. I want to show you an example. Let's do one more update. The update has been done. But not one, but 3 update processes have been completed. This is often undesirable. It is also very dangerous. In this table, it means that there are 3 city information, the data of which is Madrid. I can see that with the select query. Updated 3 columns. I reset the data by clicking the Restore Database button. I will enter the update command again. To solve this problem, I need to make changes to the where condition. The update and set parts are the same. I can update a data specifically by adding the postal code information in the where condition. I made a mistake. I'm deleting the table code. Only one row has been updated. Let's see the updated column. Let's see all Madrid information. In this section, we learned how to update a row. Thanks for watching. You can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us.